If you ever hear someone snoring in the woods, check twice. That night, I woke up to a deep rumble outside my tent. I smiled. Finally, another camper nearby? At least I wasn't alone. But then it got louder. Louder and closer. I unzipped the tent, whispering hello. No people, just my backpack, shaking with every snore. I leaned closer, and a raccoon's head popped out, wearing my headlamp like a crown, snoring proudly inside my bag. Relieved, I laughed until I realized my own headlamp was still on my forehead.